Good evening, my YouTube friends and family. It is a dreary day here in Western Maryland. It is raining, overcast. We do have enough power to supply the loads, but we do have a fire started in the boiler for some hot water for showers tonight. But we got some drone footage. Man, it is awesome. It's overhead footage with a buddy of mine's drone, Wrenches and Wreckers. Thank you very much. Big sponsor of our show. He gives us a bunch of good toys to play with here in the compound, and that's what we got to share with you. So stick around. I'll see you at the end. Alright, here we go. So I take this thing up about 200 feet, and when I started zooming in on the asparagus later, it was about 187 feet, but this is kind of like the layout we got of the compound. Nothing's in any particular order, it's just all what was easy to do. We have a full-size parking lot on the one side. We operated a store out of the property for a while, and it's filled with stone and wood. Stone will go in the back driveway, the wood will go in the stove. But chicken run number 1, which is our oldest, chicken run number 2, which is the one we just started, and then our gardens. Each one is a season older. The 4th season, which is the longest, it was our first year. We did a no-dig garden. But let's check out this zoom. Here we are. You can see people walking around, grandbabies running around, see the dog in the kennel. But this zoom zoomed to 160 times. So I'm going to try to get this thing adjusted around here to get to the asparagus. And I got to turn in the wrong way, but that's the neighbor's house. We got a barn out back in the compound. So this asparagus, I tried to center it up here and zoom in, and wow, what a zoom. It's pretty amazing. This was our no-dig garden. This was all compost. Well, it was all cardboard. We put cardboard down and then composted the beds and amend the beds every season. So here this thing is, man. I really thought this was something. Just imagine what they could do as far as a security aspect. Both pros and cons. But that asparagus, it's about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches maybe. I thought that was pretty amazing. So here we'll check out the beds themselves. We're planting the lower garden. This will be the 4th season that we planted down there. The no-dig garden, we expanded the year after. This will be the 3rd season we planted in the upper garden. We had some watermelons and cantaloupes, and what else do we have up on that bank? Pumpkins. Honey's got a little strawberry patch up there. And then this is the new chicken run. This is chicken run number 2. We got to put a fence up down along the side and out the front yet. But chickens, we want to rotate them from run to run. So we're doing the new chicken house build. We'll have more on that here in the next coming videos. We just needed a house to house all the chickens. And this is our oldest chicken run. This was the first run. We added another temporary coop down there. It was a goat pen. But here's this zoom again. It is super nice. We put up that little shade cloth because the chickens just tore everything up. There wasn't a whole lot of shade in there, so But here I'm climbing in this thing, and took it up to 400 feet. It maxed out about 400 foot. It was set so you didn't need a pilot's license, but this drone was super nice. Here I'm going to go over and go around the dirt bike trail. We put this road up here on the side of the mountain for the boys to ride dirt bikes and goof off four-wheelers. And those roads are about, I don't know, 10 to 12 feet difference in elevation. But it just goes around the property and pretty close to the property line. Property line's a good bit off the top of it in certain spots, but just having a road up there, being able to get to wood and down trees, man, it made that property a lot more usable. We put a small camp area up there, a little pull off. That's what we got here. I'm zooming in on the fire ring we got up there. Boys go up and have parties up there, throw tents, do camping, ride dirt bikes, you know, all the things that young boys are supposed to do. And then about this time the drone started beeping. Low battery. This video was, the whole recording was about 12 minutes. We started on the battery, was about half battery life. The batteries in this drones are supposed to run 40 minutes, and we only had about half life, so So there you have it. I thought that was pretty amazing, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Now, if you guys want to stick around, we got more plantings. We're going to put some potatoes in. We got peas going in, shelling peas, sweet snap peas, and more of the garden and more of this solar. I got a bunch of upgrades I want to do. I'm waiting on some parts, and if you guys like the content, please share, give us the old thumbs up. That helps the algorithm, and always remember to smile, because God loves you.